Welcome back, all my beautiful tasties. This is Val with Tasty Sensations, and I'm having soft tacos, soft burritos, whatever you want to call it. And this is the 16-inch soft taco. It says it's the best-selling kind, and I have some rice in the rice cooker. And I'm going to open it up and scoop me up a little rice and put it on this. The rice is still warm. So the rice is flavored with a little broth, chicken broth, and salt. That's it. I'm going to make me a burrito or a taco. So the rice is still hot, so that's why it looks like this. This is some good rice too. If you want to flavor your rice, you do it while flavor the water before it ever cooks. That's a good way of doing it. I'm going to get me some chow chow and put on here. And I want to put some heat on it too, so I'm going to put a little, well, this got heat in it, but I'm going to put a little, wasabi on it too. Got me some beans. It's flavored pinto beans. Got onions ground up in it, and it's got seasoning. And the pinto beans are blended to make them look like this. Got me a little, I'm going to get some of this wasabi, like I said, I'm just going to put on here. I'm thinking about making me a sushi roll. Maybe a veggie sushi roll. I may put some meat in it, I may not. Try these avocados here that I have chopped up here. I think this is going to be a veggie one. It's got some good stuff in it though. Cheese. Oh, that tastes good. That wasabi. That's a little bit that got on when I was licking my fingers. And that is some good stuff. You hear me? You want to see what the wasabi is? I get that wasabi from Walmart. It's strong, but it's not the strongest. I have gotten some that's much hotter than that, but that's hot though. Don't let it fool you. What's just this? Got me some onions. Already chopped in a bowl waiting on me. Now when you make a sushi roll, you don't pile it up like this. You actually spread the rice out and then just put a little sliver or something in the middle. When you roll it up, it just got a little bit in the middle. But I'll probably be doing one of them later. That'll be my snack. I'm gonna put some of this yum yum sauce on it too. I don't have any salsa, so all of this is gonna do the heat part for me. Now let's get a big taste of this. I've been having y'all wait on the crunchy, eating, the deliciousness of it all, the tastiness of it all. You feel me? Look, check it out, check it out. Y'all see that, don't you? Y'all see that, don't you? I roll it back to you, y'all. Mm. Look at all that lusciousness. Lusciousness. Now, I can't do nothing with the ends right now, y'all, so I got to lift it up. Lift it up. Mmm. Something like this, it's very filling. Trying to hold this up, keep from wasting out. Mm. I think if you make you 2 of these, you'll be full. Very inexpensive meal and very filling. And you can throw a little meat in here, but you won't even miss it. It's leftover chicken, leftover pork chop, roast. Stir you up a little hamburger and drop it in there. A little bit. Get you a hot dog, a sausage, stir it up, and then drop it in here. A piece of bologna, slice it up, lay it on here. That's if you want some meat. Mm. This ain't oozing out on that side. I'm gonna go to this side. Mm. Got some Worcestershire sauce here too. I'm saving it for my to make my dip for my sushi roll. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. This is really good, y'all. This is really, really good. This I think you can make very tasty. This is when it get tricky, y'all. We have to keep the other end closed off when stuff start falling from both ends. Mm. 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 I forgot the lettuce. It's good without it. Probably better with it. Mm. Mm. That was good. All of my tasties. I just want to share this with y'all. I'm gonna make me another one. But I like to thank all of you for joining me. This is really, really a tasty situation. And if you like what you're seeing and you want to join the tasties, click that subscribe button and you will be a tasty too. This is Val with Tasty Sensations. I'll talk to all of my beautiful ones on the next video. Bye bye now.